Assalamu alaikum. Now I discuss how to balance your life. Firstly, set a clear goal. Identify what you want to achieve in your life and see a specific, measurable, and attainable goals. Second, create a schedule. Plan out your day, weeks, and month, and stick out your schedule. Establish routine. Develop healthy habits and routines such as regular exercise, eating, and suffering from sleep. Learn to stay. Be mindful talking on too much and learn to stay on a non-established community. Take care of yourself. Many time for your self-care and prioritize and physical mental health routine. Focus on the most important um, our urgent task first. Stay organized. Use tools and systems to stay organized and know top of your task and responsibilities. Seek support. Surrounding yourself with a supportive people who can help to stay a motive and focus on your goals. Reviews and rejects. Regular review your program and reject your plans as needed. Set remember to stay on track. Remember help you to stay organized and ensure you never miss an important tracks or appointment. Set reminder your phone, your calendar, your planner, and up to date your event deadliness and task. Focus on what most important first. Talk short break and refresh your mind. Talking regular break help or regain or stay focused. Talk 10 to 15 minute break ever horse to stretch, move around, to practice deep breathing exercise. Stay organized, stay happy. Do not too much talk our communities and not establish tasks. Learn to stay on the required that will allow you that with you your practice and your value. Remember you stay to others means saying yourself. Move out your body, your boost your mind. Allah Hafiz, stay tuned in my channel.